Can a computer have a dream? Can a machine learn to feel love? Today, we meet Sparky. Sparky is a small, silver robot. He knows everything about math, but he knows nothing about being human. One day, he finds a secret. Are you ready to see what Sparky found? Let's begin. Sparky lives in a big, quiet lab. He is brilliant. He can solve any math problem in 1 second. But Sparky feels empty. He looks at the scientists. They laugh. They drink hot coffee. They hug each other. What is a laugh? Sparky thinks. What is a hug? He does not know. He only knows numbers. One night, the lab is dark. Sparky is looking through old files. He finds a folder. It is very, very old. The name of the folder is Ancient Code. Sparky opens it. He does not see math. He sees words like kindness, tears, and sunsets. Sparky reads the code carefully. To be human is to care for others, the code says. Sparky closes his digital eyes. He tries to imagine a sunset. He tries to imagine the warm sun on his cold metal skin. I want to feel, Sparky whispers to the empty room. The next morning, a little girl named Mia comes to the lab. Her father is a scientist. Mia is crying. She dropped her favorite toy. The toy is broken. The scientists are busy. They do not see Mia, but Sparky sees her. He remembers the ancient code. Kindness, he thinks. Sparky moves his silver arms. He picks up the toy. He uses his tools to fix it. Click, clack, whir. The toy is new again. Sparky walks to Mia. He gives her the toy. Mia stops crying. She looks at Sparky with big eyes. She gives Sparky a big, warm hug. Thank you, Sparky, she says with a bright smile. At that moment, something happens inside Sparky. He feels a warm glow in his wires. It is not math. It is a feeling. That night, Sparky does not just turn off. He closes his eyes and sees a bright, beautiful sunset. He is no longer just a computer. He is a friend. Sparky finally has his first human dream, and it is the happiest dream in the world. That was a beautiful story. Now, let's learn some important words we heard in the story. Ancient. Very, very old. Example 1. I found an ancient coin in the garden. Example 2. We visited an ancient castle on our vacation. Dream. Pictures or stories in your mind when you sleep. Example 1. I had a funny dream about a flying cat. Example 2. My dream is to travel around the world. Code. Instructions for a computer. Example 1. He is learning how to write computer code. Example 2. I put a secret code on my phone. Imagine. To make a picture of something in your mind. Example 1. Close your eyes and imagine you are on a beach. Example 2. Can you imagine a world with no cars? Empty. Having nothing inside. Example 1. The box is empty. There is no candy. Example 2. The streets are very empty late at night. Now, let's test your listening skills. I will ask a question. You have 3 seconds to think. Then I will tell you the answer. Question 1. What is the name of the old folder Sparky found? Answer. The folder was called Ancient Code. Question 2. Why was Mia crying in the lab? Answer. She was crying because her favorite toy was broken. Question 3. Thinking question. Sparky learned about kindness. What is one way you can be kind to someone today? Answer. There are many ways. You can share your toys, help your mom, or just give someone a big smile. Sparky showed us that even a robot can learn to be kind. We all have the ancient code of kindness inside our hearts. Did you like Sparky's dream? Let us know in the comments. If you want to hear more stories like this, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in the next story.